Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, or if you watch my Bitcoin videos on a routine basis, usually each one of these represents 4 hours worth of time. But in this situation, each one of those represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I want to do this time and kind of, shrink down the time frame because, this really kind of helps make mapping out and answering a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, yeah, there's been some hoopla in the headlines again with that investigation and all that. But since then, the prices recovered very nicely. I mean, when you think about where the price was when it was down here around these lows, and now you look at where the price currently is, currently being the key word because, again, the crypto markets are always open. But any rational person would say, yeah, Bitcoin is actually, in the past, shorter amount of time, making a very, very nice move. But this does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but the good news is, like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And this is why I love charts because, you have headlines all saying certain things and then the price is doing something completely different. So really the only way to judge what is actually the truth is while looking at the truth. And the definition I am using of truth is the price action itself. So the way we're going to map out and answer this question in regards to how to gauge the health or lack thereof of this price movement is in regards to this level right here at 10,600. Let's go 10,600, give the bulls plenty of wiggle room. Why is 10,600 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 10,600. Any sort of closes below there or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that the price just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps beginning to make progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 10,600. So yeah, the market is going to remain open. Who knows where the chart will be 24 hours from now. But over the course of the next 24 hours, let's see if the price can make some progress. And again, progress being defined as 10,600. So only time will tell, but so far so good. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.